Hello, and thank you for checking out the National Association of Safety Professionals. At NASP, we've been providing professional development opportunities for safety professionals across the globe for over 20 years. How do we accomplish this? Through a three-pronged approach consisting of training, certification, and membership. Since the year 2000, NASP has been focused on providing industry professionals with leading-edge safety training. Our IASET accredited courses are active, engaging, and fun. Our flagship course, the Certified Safety Manager, is considered the premier class for safety professionals and has been taken by over 6,500 students from all over the world. And let's face it, in today's market, safety certifications are a requirement in nearly every new job listing. NASP provides not one, but two accredited certifications, the Master Safety Professional and the Certified Safety Director. This shows that employers you've got the knowledge, skills, and abilities necessary to champion safety at any level. So, visit our booth at the Safety Connect Conference or go to our website at www.naspweb.com for more details on this and other safety training opportunities. Thank you so much.